Hey guys, welcome back to Shop Sierra Jonay. Today I'm coming with a video on how to use a heat press. As you can see, I have my image in my Cameo 3 software and it says straight out of cheer practice, and I'll be making this for my daughter. This is just a SVG file that I purchased from SD and it's all one piece. As you can see, I'm just kind of sizing it up. Hope you guys can see that. I'm just kind of sizing it up to where it'll fit on my daughter's shirt. She's 9 and she loves cheerleading, so I figured I'd make her a quick little shirt to wear to practice tonight. So right now I'm just getting the size where I want it. Now I may have to trace this to get it ready to cut. So let me go ahead and get that done now. Let me go ahead and trace it so that it's going to be ready to be cut out. And as you can see, I really need to adjust my threshold or my high pass because it's pretty much traced well as far as all the letters go, so it'll be easy to cut. Just can go up a little bit just to clean it up some. But for the most part, it looks pretty good to me. So after I've done that, I just want to hit trace. And I can move my original image out the way. You can delete it if you don't need it anymore. But as you can see, here is the outline of the trace image. I think that is a decent. I don't want the image to be super big, but I don't want it to be super small either. So I want to probably do it at, let's see, I want it to be big enough for everyone to see. And I'm going to use some gold scissor easy weed vinyl that I purchased from eBay. I'm going to use my Cameo 3 to cut it out. I'm going to flip it since I'm using HTV. Hit send. I want to show you guys how to load it into your Cameo 3. Be right back. Okay guys, so here is the gold glitter vinyl that I purchased from eBay. Her cheer colors are black and gold, so I thought this would be really nice. It's a pretty color. So what I want to do is, you see that? Flip it over, put the shiny side down onto your mat. And this mat has been through it, as you can see. And I usually purchase my mats from eBay. I believe this one in particular, I got this from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, one of them. But I don't like the way you can see every single thing that I cut out. It's been a few months since I've used this mat. I think January was the last time I've used it, but it may still be pretty sticky. So you want to just smooth that out. And then you want to load it into, see that? My Cameo 3. I haven't used her in quite some time either. Probably since January. I've been trying to get into this, using my printer and printing images, but sometimes you have to go back to the way you started, and that is my vinyl. And I love the vinyl. I think it lasts long too. You can get a lot of wears out of a shirt. So I have that ready to be cut, loaded in there. I'm just going to get my settings correct. Okay, so I'm just cutting my image out using my Cameo 3 blade set to 10. My force was at 12 and my speed was at 3. So I'm just going to fast forward through this. Right, so right here it just shows me weeding the image out using my silhouette tool. Made a slit in the vinyl and going to pull off all of the extra vinyl that I don't need to expose my image. I kind of sped it up some so you guys don't have to sit through that, but it is tedious when you're weeding an image using vinyl, so be sure to take your time. Make sure you start with the outside, work your way in. Be careful because some of the layers can lift up if you're not careful. Alright guys, this is what it looks like all weeded out. I'm just going to take this little extra strip along the edge off. And then I'll be ready to press onto my shirt for my baby. So I'm going to get my heat press heated up. It's a power press that I purchased from Amazon. It's a 15 by 15 inch. Figured that was all I really needed right now. And this can do pillows, socks, blankets, hoodies. You can do so many different things with vinyl and heat press, even heat transfer paper. If you watched my other video about the Epson printer, so pretty. So here's the heat press. I'm letting it heat up to about 350 degrees. I have my shirt already on my heat press. Let me just sit this down so you guys can see between the shirt on both sides. If you can see that, hopefully you guys can see that. So try to make sure you have the same amount of shirt hanging off on both sides. Alright guys, so my heat press is heated up to where I want it. I'm going to just quick press to get some of the wrinkles out. Like this on my baby on her shirt. Trying to get it centered. Hope you guys can see this. I don't know why the heck I keep blocking the dog on camera. Lord. You guys can see this. Looks pretty centered to me. Just going to take my Teflon sheet, cover it up, press down 30 seconds. So let's see how it turned out. You peel the backing back slowly, because sometimes it doesn't stick. I want to do another quick, probably 15-second press, just to make sure everything is tacked down well onto the shirt. So I'm going to take this off slowly. I probably could have used a black shirt for this. I didn't have any in her size. And I didn't want to go out and buy anything, so I was going to use what I already had at home. Probably 15-second press. About halfway from the 30-second. I'm going to stop it before the timer goes off. Okay. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cute. I like it actually. Even on the white, I think the gold looks good on it. I think she'll like it a lot. So, there is the shirt. Straight out of cheer practice for my baby. Hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for more video. Comment if you wish. And I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.